Smyrna's AAA bond rating places us among the most financially elite cities in Tennessee and in the country. Not because of extraordinary wealth, but because of extraordinary stewardship. The other 4 cities that share this distinction are some of the most affluent communities in the state. Our rating reflects our commitment to sound planning, responsible governance, and a stable future for our residents and our businesses.
Smyrna's growth is a sign of strength, the result of a thriving economy, strong partnerships, and a high quality of life that draws people here. But growth alone isn't our goal. We're creating opportunities and high-skilled jobs with new and expanding businesses that are at the forefront of innovation so that Smyrna remains a great place to live, work, and raise a family for generations to come.
Smyrna's strength comes from the foundation we built together and the care we take to plan for the future. We're investing in the roads we drive on, the parks we enjoy, and the systems that keep our community safe and strong. Every project is part of a bigger vision of making sure Smyrna grows the right way and remains a place we are all proud to call home.
When people feel safe, they can focus on their family, working, and building a better future. That's why investing in public safety isn't just a priority, it's a promise to protect the quality of life that makes Smyrna our hometown. Smyrna's police and fire department's dedication, professionalism, and compassion protect what matters most, the citizens of Smyrna. Every day they go above and beyond to serve with integrity, respond with courage, and uphold the trust that keeps Smyrna a safe and thriving place to call home.
Every new park, event, and community partnership is part of a larger effort to strengthen connections and bring people in our town together. We've invested in amenities, facilities, and services that enrich our daily lives and celebrate what makes Smyrna unique and special, which is being a close-knit community built on strong relationships, shared experiences, and hometown pride. We are truly blessed.
Smyrna's greatest strength is its people, the neighbors, volunteers, and community partners who come together to make a difference. Our success is built on collaboration, from local organizations and businesses to engaged residents who share their time and ideas. Civic engagement isn't just a part of our process, it's the heartbeat of who we are, ensuring that Smyrna continues to grow with purpose, unity, and shared pride. Love where you live, folks.
Smyrna's thriving, strong, smart, and united. Together, we're building on a foundation of good planning, fiscal responsibility, and community pride. We're investing in our future, in our roads, our safety, and our quality of life to keep Smyrna a place we're all proud to call home. In Smyrna, progress honors our heritage and reflects the values we all share. I'm proud of what we've accomplished and even more excited for what's ahead. Because when this community comes together, there's nothing we can't do. This is Smyrna. We're strong, we're vibrant, and we're moving forward together.